lemon basil, Kemangi, lemon basil, Kemangi, hoary basil, Thai lemon basil, or Lao basil, Ocimum africanum, is a hybrid between basil, Ocimum basilicum, and American basil, Ocimum americanum. The herb is grown primarily in northeastern Africa and southern Asia for its fragrant lemon scent, and is used in cooking. Lemon basil stems can grow to 20 to 40 centimeters tall. It has white flowers in late summer to early fall. The leaves are similar to basil leaves, but tend to be narrower with slightly serrated edges. Seeds form on the plant after flowering and dry on the plant. Lemon basil is a popular herb in Arabic, Indonesian, Filipino, Lao, Malay, Indian, Persian and Thai cuisine. Culinary uses. Laos. In Lao cuisine, where it is called pak I tu, lemon basil is used extensively in soups, stews, curries and stir-fried dishes as it is the most commonly used type of basil in Laos. Many Laos stews require the use of lemon basil as no other basil varieties are acceptable as substitutes. The most popular Laos stew called Olam uses lemon basil as a key ingredient. Indonesia. Lemon basil is the only basil used much in Indonesian cuisine, where it is called Kemangi. It is often eaten raw with salad or lalap, raw vegetables, and accompanied by sambal. Lemon basil is often used to season certain Indonesian dishes, such as curries, soup, stew and steamed or grilled dishes. Thailand. In Thailand, lemon basil, called Minglak Thai, is one of several types of basil used in Thai cuisine. The leaves are used in certain Thai curries, and it is also indispensable for the noodle dish kanam chin namya. Philippines. In the Philippines, where it is called sangig, particularly in Cebu and parts of Mindanao, lemon basil is used to add flavor to loy, which is an assortment of local greens, in a vegetable-based soup. The seeds resemble chia seeds after they have been soaked in water and are used in sweet desserts. India. It is also used in northeast part of India state Manipur. In Manipur, it is used in curry like pumpkin, used in singju, a form of salad, and in red or green chili pickles. The Gero, Khasi and Jaintia tribe of Meghalaya also use it in their cuisine. The Geras call it penat, pronounced fanat. They use it to prepare cold sauce, Indian chutney, with added ingredients like fermented fish, chili, onions, sometimes roasted tomatoes. In Tripura, it is known as banta, and is used by Tripuri community to make banta mosteng, a fermented fish-based spicy chutney.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe